Dear students, we are in exercise 6.6 miscellaneous exercise in application of derivatives, and we have finished up to 17th questions in the last class. From 18th question onwards we will see 18, 19, 20. These three questions we will try to solve in this class. See what they have given in question number 18. First I am reading, you understand. Show that the height of the cylinder of greatest volume, which can be inscribed in a right circular cone of height h and semi-vertical angle alpha, is 1/3 that of cone, and the greatest volume of the cylinder is 4/27 pi h cube tan square alpha. You see, this final volume we will find afterwards. Clearly observe here, first time we are seeing cylinder is inscribed in a cone. That we have to draw. See, I am drawing here. This figure also you have to understand carefully, and this figure we will keep until completion of this question. Say this is cone. Inside the cone, cylinder is inscribed. Say this is cylinder. Right? Now cylinder has got, see here, cylinder is also having height, cone is also having height. Cylinder is also having radius, cone is also having radius. That is why we should, what we can say, do carefully this question. You see here, show that the height of the cylinder we have to find. Okay. See, how can we take height of the cylinder? Can we take small h? No. Why? Because see, for cone they have given small h. That is why we will take capital H for this. Wait, first you see, height of the cylinder of greatest volume, which can be inscribed in a right circular cone of height h. That means cone height is h. See, cone height is h means I will take this A and this is B. AB is height of the cone. Okay, I am writing here. You see what I am writing. Height of the cone, height of cone, comma, h is equal to AB. See, height of the cone is equal to h is equal to also you can write, but height of the cone they have given small h. Small h is equal to AB. That you keep in our mind. See, if this is the small h, you will take height of the cylinder as a capital H. Okay? Comma, height of cylinder, comma, capital H is equal to, if this is small h, this is capital H, we will take like that. See here, capital H is what? Shall we take this? AB is cone, CD is, see here also center point we will take afterwards, but you see CD and this B or something point are both same. That means CD is also height of the cylinder. Okay, that is why I have written CD. Okay. CD, height of the cone and height of the cylinder I have written. Now go back to the question. But see here, until completion of question, this drawing we are not going to mitigate. Why? Because this is required. Semi-vertical angle alpha. This semi-vertical angle is very important. You see, now what I am doing, semi-vertical angle means, you see here semi-vertical angle, here also alpha. Okay, and semi-vertical angle here also alpha. Why? Because these are right circular cylinder, right circular cone. This is also alpha, this is also alpha. Okay, based on this we have to derive some points. See, height is 1/3 of the cone. See, cylinder height is 1/3 of the cone. See, what we have to prove? We have to prove this one. Capital H is equal to, I am writing here, or else I am writing here. Capital H is equal to small h by 3. We have to prove. Small I have written, but this we should not take. This has to be proved. H is equal to h by 3 we have to prove. That's what he asked. 1/3 of the cone. Okay. How to prove? Based on maximum value we have to take. Maximum value, greatest value means maximum value. That means volume we found, derivate it, equate it, then second derivate it. Second derivation should come less than 0, then only maximum. Okay, that should be done. Finally, you have to find greatest volume also. Greatest volume means you substitute in that volume figure and you have to get this one. You have to get, normally you don't get, but then you have to convert it. Because see, several points are come. Okay, you see now what I am writing again. Okay, see, this is the case of height. What about radius? Radius also will be there. For radius, what I am doing, you see, yeah, for radius A, B, C, D, E, I am taking this. I think with E, we can finish it. Okay, AB by BE, CD by DE, and alpha is there. Okay, enough. See, these points are enough, I suppose. Okay, now you observe first carefully. AB is radius of cone, CD is radius of cylinder. Then see, BE is radius of, height of the cone. AB is height of the cone, CD is height of the cylinder. Then see, BE is radius of the cone. Okay, small we will take radius. When we have taken small, then we will take small only for cone. For cone, radius of the cone. Radius of cone is equal to small r. Small r is how much? BE. Okay, then radius of cylinder. Normally capital R. Capital R will be how much? Capital R will be, you see, BD only. BE is small r. BD is capital R. Okay. Okay. Now you see, what is tan theta? Tan theta is, see, radius divided by height. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side. Opposite side is BE divided by AB. Tan theta. That means tan alpha. Tan alpha, what you can write here? See, I am writing what? BE is R. Okay, R divided by H, small h, is equal to tan alpha. Is it correct? This you box it. Why? Because this we have to utilize afterwards. R by H is equal to tan alpha. We can use R is equal to H tan alpha, or H is equal to R by tan alpha. Anyway, we can use this formula. This is result we can say. See, BE is R, small r. Tan theta is, tan alpha is there. Tan alpha means what? Opposite side by adjacent side. You see here, opposite side is BE, adjacent side is AB. Okay, R by H is equal to tan alpha, that is there. Another result, you see, what I am writing, BE by AB is equal to DE by CD. This also I can write. Why? Because these are ratios. So on same this thing are there. Okay, same angle and same this thing. Okay, see what I am writing. BE means what? R. But R by H is equal to, you see here, this DE. DE means what? Capital R, small r minus capital R. Here you see, BE you are having radius of the cone, small r. BD you are having capital R, radius of the cylinder. But what about DE? Small r minus capital R, write down. Small r minus capital R divided by CD. CD is height, you know, capital H. Okay, CD is capital H. Okay, this also you box. This result also you have to utilize it. Okay. Now come to the original problem. Now greatest volume you have to find. Greatest volume you have to derivate it. First of all, write the formula of greatest volume, then we will derivate it. Okay, you see what they have given? Greatest volume. See, volume of the cylinder only. Greatest volume of the cylinder. Cylinder volume is pi r square h only. Why? Because see, cone means by 3 will come, cylinder will not come, pi r 3 h. You see what I am writing? V is equal to pi r square h. You see, for cylinder we are writing, for cylinder or capital r h by pi r square h. That's all. Okay. But you see here, r square is okay, but h we will convert in the form of tan alpha something. Why? Because see, volume, inside volume, finally tan cube alpha something is there. That is why what I am doing, you see here, h is equal to see, r by h is equal to tan alpha means, you see what I am writing, h is equal to r minus r by r h. You see, side I am writing h is equal to r minus r by this r by h. R by h is what? Tan alpha. Is it correct? First you see, with these two only I am writing. You see, capital H you send this side, this you take as 1 unit, r tan alpha. Tan alpha is equal to r minus r by h. H is equal to r minus r by tan alpha. Okay. Now I am substituting here. You see here what I am writing. Implies V is equal to pi r square. H means what I am writing? R minus r by tan alpha. Is it okay? Okay. Next, come back. Then what we have to do? Derivation we have to do. This you can send inside. Okay, I am sending inside. You see, V is equal to pi by tan alpha. You take common. Then you send r square r minus r cube. Is it okay? Pi by tan alpha I have taken common, r square r minus r. You see, we have to do capital R square derivation. You see what I am doing? D P by D capital R is equal to capital R. Okay. Pi by tan alpha is common. But you see, r square means 2r. 2r r. 2r r. Minus 3r square. Is it okay? This is derivation. After derivation, what you are going to do? You are going to equate it to 0. dV by dr is equal to 0. Write down. dV by dr equal to 0 implies, see, this constant anyway going to become 0, but here you see 2r is equal to 3r square. See, after equating it to 0, r value you have to find. Here, whatever the denominator is there, that value you have to find. You see, r you cancel out. Okay, then you see, r is equal to 2 by 3r. This you box it now. Capital R is equal to 2/3 of the small r. Okay, now you go back. Now you substitute here this formula, this value. See, now what? See, after derivation, second derivation you have to do. In second derivation, this you have to substitute. Then you have to show that it is maximum. Then you have to find the remaining. But now what we are doing? We are proceeding in different way. Now see, you show 1/3 of the height like. Then you substitute this r value in this. It is going to come 1/3 of the h like. Then you go for second derivation. Why? Because I have to rub this. Afterwards, finally you find this value. Okay, like that we will do. Okay. Let us see. Now you see, r is equal to 2 by 3. R has come. But h formula I am taking this. See how? Why? Because I have to prove 1/3 of the height line. You see, r minus h. R by h is equal to r minus, you see, 2r by 3 divided by capital H, comma. You see, 3r minus 2r, r by 3. R by h is equal to r by 3, and again h is there. Okay. You see, r going to get cancelled, and h is equal to small h by 3. Is it okay? This is what you they asked us to prove. Okay. So that the volume of the cylinder is 1/3 of the cone. 1/3 of the cone. Okay. Now we have finished this. Now what we have to do? Second derivation we have to do. Second derivation also I think I can complete here. Second derivation also not much tougher. Okay. Second derivation, if less than 0, then that is maximum value. You see what I am writing? See, dv by dr equal to 0. Before that, what is there that you have to take? You see, this is the first derivation. Second derivation, you do d square v by dr square is equal to pi by tan alpha constant. Okay. You see, 2r means with r you are doing 2r will come. Minus 3r square means how much will come? 6r. Why? Because 2r will come. 2 into 3, 6. Okay. Now you should not equate it to 0. You have to substitute r value. Okay. At r is equal to 2 by 3r implies. Okay. You see, pi by tan alpha like this only. But 2r is normal only, minus 6 into r. Capital R is how much? 2 by 3 r. You see, 2 times will go. That is equal to, you see, 2r minus 4r minus 2r minus 2 pi r by tan alpha. Is it okay? 4r, 2r minus 4r minus 2r minus 2 pi is there, minus 2 pi r divided by tan alpha. Now you tell me, negative has come. These are all constants, like you take pi. Remaining are values. Values means these are positive values only. But here negative symbol has come. That means what we can say? We can say volume is less than 0 maximum. Write down. Less than 0 maximum. Okay. Now this volume is equal to this you have to prove. Except this all I am removing. Question only I am removing. Okay, pass and note down. Only question I am removing. You see what I am removing also I am writing here. Here itself we can find. Why? Because you have to take which one, if you take that comes and all, you have to see very carefully. See, only question I am removing. Finally you have to find the volume of the cylinder is this, means where is the volume of the cylinder formula? This is formula. Before derivation, this formula. In this formula we will substitute r value. And we will see. If doesn't come directly, means again you have to take help of these two results. Then you have to convert it. Okay. Then finally it will come. Let us go. Pass and note down. Okay. Now see, height also have proved, maximum volume like that also have proved. Final one is volume is equal to this one you have to prove. Let us prove V is equal to, you see where is the formula? Before derivation, this formula you have to take pi by tan alpha into r square. See, r square means you take 4r square by 9 minus into r. Is it okay? R shall we take this? Anyways, I have written okay. Pi by tan alpha, capital R square means, you see, 4. No, this is small r. Why? Because see, we have to show, see, r is not there. H has to come. We will see. Why? Because the h we have to take from here afterwards. First you see, r square means 4 small r square by 9. Okay, into small r minus r cube. R cube means how much again? 8 small r cube divided by 27. Is it okay? Then proceed. Pi by tan alpha you keep like this only. Okay, see, 27 you take common LCM. 27. 27 if you take, you see r cube it is going to become 9 3 times, 3 4s are 12, 12 r cube, 3 into 4, 12 r cube minus 27 already there, 8 r cube, that is equal to 4 r cube pi by 27 4 r cube by tan alpha. Is it okay? First you see, pi by 27 tan alpha I have taken, but 4 r cube. Okay, okay. Now you go back again. See, this is not the answer you have to show. 4 by 27 okay, pi is also okay, but tan alpha not denominator, but it has to go to numerator and tan square has to come. And r is not required, h is required. Now you apply your brain. You see here, r is equal to h tan alpha, you substitute. R is equal to h tan alpha. Okay, with this result, write down. Pi by 27, 4 pi by 27 I have taken, into r cube. R cube means h cube tan cube alpha. H cube tan cube alpha. R is equal to h tan alpha. R cube means h cube tan cube alpha. Divide it by tan alpha. Tan alpha already there. See, tan alpha will make it square. Then finally what will come? 4 pi by 27 h cube tan square alpha. Is this they asked? You see, 4 by 27 pi, 4 by 27 pi, h cube tan square alpha. Like this you have to do this question. That is why I have not removed any of this. Okay? Take this, we will go for 19th question. Okay? Okay. See, 19th question. A cylindrical tank of radius 10 meter. Okay? 10 meter we will write in red color. A cylinder tank of radius 10 meter is being filled with wheat at the rate of 314 meter cube per hour. Okay, this is cubic meter hour. Find the depth of the wheat increasing rate. Okay. See, this is a cylinder. Normally, cylinder volume you take. You see what I am writing. Cylinder volume means what? Pi r square h. Okay, pi r square h. But they have given a volume, change of volume with respect to time. Hour means time. You see what I am writing. dV by dt they have given. How much? 314 meter cube per hour. This they have given. Okay, that is also okay. Find depth of the wheat increasing. You see here, for a tank, depth means height only. Shall I write like this? dH by dt is equal to how much? Is it okay? Definitely okay. How can you find dH by dt? Okay. You see here what I am writing. Observe carefully. dV by dt is equal to dV by dH into dH by dt. See, dV by dt they have given. dV by dH you can find. Why? Because see, volume with respect to h you can do derivation. dH by dt, see, you are doing this derivation, this value they have given. This is equal to this divided by this. You can get it. That's all. Okay. Proceed. Now you have to find, see, dH going to get cancelled, dV by dt. dV by dt already they have given. dH by dt you are going to get. You see, dV by dH you find first. dV by dH is equal to d by dH of pi r square h. See, with respect to h you are doing means remaining all constants. I mean constant only. That is equal to pi r square. Okay. If that is pi r square, then dH by dt you write down. This dV by dt how much? 314. 314 is equal to dV by dH is pi r square into dH by dt. Now dh by dt is equal to 314 by pi r square. That is equal to 314 by pi into, see r square means r they have given 10 meters. We have not written r 10 meters. Okay. That means 100. That is equal to 3.14 by pi. That is equal to 1. Normally 3.14 by pi you have to leave, but this is objective question. In answer 1 is there. That is why we have converted it to 1. Why? Because see, pi value normally we don't take 3.14. We will leave it pi only. But if required, then we will take 22 by 7, 3.14. Okay, write down then. dh by dt is equal to 1. See, what is the dimension? Meter per hour. That is also important. Meters per hour. Meter cube per hour. Meter per hour. Okay. Take this. We will go for question number 20. Okay. See, the slope of tangent to the curve x is equal to t square plus 3t minus 8 and y is equal to 2t square minus 2t minus 5 at the point 2 minus 1 is. Okay. See, normally we will find equation at one point, but here slope at one point is asking us to find. Okay, let us find. If that equation comes, see, these are curves like they are telling, but if you observe carefully, these are parametric. Why? Because directly dy by dx the slope will not come. Slope of the tangent means dy by dx. M is equal to dy by dx. If you do dy by dx, directly you cannot do dy by dx. dy by dt, dx by dt, then dy by dt divided by dx by dt. If you do, slope may come. If doesn't come in t form, it comes means you cannot substitute this. Why? Because these are xy like. Okay, let us see what we will do, and all. This is a new type of question. We will get some experience. Okay. See what I am doing. dy by dt is equal to 40 minus 2. Okay. Dx by dt is equal to 2t plus 3. Okay. Then you proceed for dy by dx, that is equal to m, that is equal to 40 minus 2 by 2t plus 3. You see, if at all here x or y are there, then you can substitute these points in x place 2, in y place minus 1, and you can get the tangent value. But because he is asking slope value. This is slope only, m, dy by dx. Slope of the tangent is m. But here we have got t value, not x or y. Then how can we find? You see here, t value means there is a logic. T with x also is there, t with y also is there. What we do, see, x equal to 2, y equal to minus 1, you substitute, and two equations will come, quadratic equations. Then you solve, x value, y value will come. Quadratic means two values will come. But which is common between two, that value you have to substitute. You have to take t as that value. Okay. You see what I am doing? X is equal to t square plus 3t minus 8 implies 2 is equal to t square plus 3t minus 8, comma t square plus 3t, if it goes minus 10 is equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic equation like, okay, 1 into minus 10, 2 into 5, 1 into 10 it will not become 3, we know. 2 into 5, 10, 5 minus 2, 3. That means here 5 you take, minus 2 you take. Minus 10, 5 minus 2 plus 3. Okay, now you write down t square plus 5t minus 2t minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, let us find factors and x values. Okay, t square plus 5t, t square plus 5t. You see minus 2t has to come. Minus 2t has to come means you take minus 2 here. Minus 2t minus 10. Minus 2t minus 10. That means t is equal to 2 and t is equal to minus 5. Okay. This you box it now. Why? Because we have to see with y also. Y is equal to minus 1 also you have to substitute and see. Why? Because t is equal to 2 or t is equal to minus 5 means which one you have to take, you will get confusion. That is why let us go for y also. You see again I am writing y is equal to 2t square minus 2t minus 5 implies minus 1 is equal to 2t square minus 2t minus 5. Okay. Then if you send this plus 1 minus 5 plus minus 4, that means you see 2t square minus 2t minus 4 is equal to 0. Is it okay? Why? Because minus 1 is going to make it as minus 4. That side minus 4. Okay. Now even now also you can take a t common. Why? Because you can reduce it, this equation. Reduce equation. T square minus t minus 2 is equal to 0. Why? Because 2 common I have taken and sent that side. Like that you think 0. T square minus t minus 2. You see here minus 2 means 2 into minus 1 or minus 2 into 1 only. Why? Because here minus 1 has to come. Minus 2 into 1 minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. Okay. Write down. T square minus 2t plus t minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Write down. T into t minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. T square minus 2t plus t plus 1 plus t minus 2 plus t minus 2. Okay, that's all. Now you take values of t. T is equal to 2 and t is equal to minus 1. Okay. Now you tell me which value we take. T is equal to 2, t is equal to 2. T is equal to 2 is the common. Then you take t is equal to 2 and substitute. That's all. Okay. You write down. By above, we can take t is equal to 2. T is equal to 2. Okay. Then you write down. Then slope, tangent slope. Tangent slope, comma m is equal to 4t minus 2 by 2t plus 3. That is equal to 4 into 2 minus 2. 2 into 2 plus 3. 8 minus 2 6. 4 plus 3 7. Okay. This is the final answer. ABCD they have given, but you see this is even though objective question, but it will take time. Like this you have to do. Okay, you have to apply your brain. Okay. We do one thing. We will stop this class here. Still 4 questions are there, 21 to 24. We will complete in the next class this exercise. Okay. Then we can complete a differentiation. Again we will go back. We will go to integration. Okay. Thank you very much.